Now this little revitalizer, I bought this just a week or two ago. It does real good with cleaning out the air and helps like if you're having breathing issues, sinusitis, colds, flu, stuff like that. It works really good. Hey, you doing all right? And here's the things that are made just for them. I am going to get a couple of these today, and they're about $6 to $7 each, I believe, maybe $8. Now, as far as toothpaste go, I'll tell you, I only use so like this toothpaste right here, that's charcoal. I only use activated charcoal toothpaste base, and it's just because it's real good for cleaning out any toxicity that's in your mouth. And for me, I know that I used to suffer with um, heavy metal exposure, so that's one of the reasons that I use activated charcoal toothpaste only. Okay, the water bottles. And just other little stuff that's over here. Salt lamps. I did buy a salt lamp here. I have to find a new replacement bulb. That is pretty difficult here. When I find one, I will let you know.